Okay.
क्लास स्टार्ट हो गई। As it is, Ryan. One लोग सेंड से आ रहे थे
So everyone, so we have finished one. So practice sheet 1, page number 10. Open page number 10. Page number 10. So practice sheet 1. So fill in the blanks, right? Page number 10. So first one. New cells are formed from pre-existing cells. So answer is what? Already existing cells. Pre-existing cells. So second one. So new cells are formed from pre-existing cells. Movement of water molecules from their higher concentration to their lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane is called osmosis. Osmosis. Next, third one. The functional components of cell are cell organelles. Cell organelles. Fourth one. Protoplasm has two parts. What is that? What two parts they have? One is fluid. And another one is what? Organelles. Next. The shrinkage or contraction of the contents of the cell away from the cell wall is known as plasmolysis. Plasmolysis. Next, sixth one. The process by which amoeba can engulf a food particle is known as endocytosis. Seventh one. Dash unicellular organisms is in slipper shape. Which are in slipper shape? What is this known as? Sparanesia. So note down. Next one, true or false? unicellular organism. True or false? Chlamydomonas. Do you remember chlamydomonas? Is present. So this is unicellular or multicellular? It is unicellular actually. So it is false. It is false. Next, ninth one, plasma membrane is present in all cells. Yes, if it is called as cell, plasma membrane should present. So true. Next, 10. If plasma membrane is not present, it is not called as cell. Hypotonic solution. The external solution is dilute, that is high water concentration. So this is true or false? Hypotonic solution. So solute concentration is, external solution is dilute. So higher concentration. Yes, true. True. Next, 11th one. Phagocytosis. It refers to the process of engulfing large particles, cell drinking. Yes. True. And 12th one, it is false. Next one. So if you have copied down, then we will go to page number 11. So subjective type you can get in the material, so you can underline and write direct definitions. Only one word definitions. Those are. So next, page number 11. Page number 11. Which of the following can be made into crystals? Bacteria, amoeba, virus, sperm. So which of the following can be made into a crystal? So what is that? C, virus. A cell will swell up if the concentration of water molecules in the cell is higher than the concentration of water molecules in surrounding medium. The concentration of water molecules in surrounding medium is higher than water molecules concentration in the cell. The concentration of water molecules is same in the cell and in the surrounding medium. Concentration of water molecules does not matter. So where concentration of water molecules in surrounding medium is what is higher than water, it will shrink. If it will swell means what? Option A. Second A. When it will swell, if inside is low and outside is high. Chromosomes are made up of DNA and proteins. Option is C. DNA and proteins. Fourth one. Following are few definitions of osmosis. Read carefully and select the correct definition. Movement of water molecules from region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. Movement of solvent molecules from its higher concentration to low concentration. Movement of solvent molecules from higher concentration to lower concentration of solution through a permeable membrane. Movement of solute molecules from lower concentration to higher concentration of solution through a semi-permeable membrane. What is that? D. Option is D. Next one. Plasmolysis in a plant cell is defined as breakdown of plasma membrane in hypotonic solution. A. Sixth one. The undefined nuclear region of prokaryotes are known as nucleoid. D. Next. In prokaryotes, nucleus is known as what? Nucleoid. Amoeba acquires its food through a process termed as, what is that? Exocytosis, endocytosis, plasmolysis, exocytosis and endocytosis both. So answer is B. Eighth one. Cell wall of which one of these is not made up of cellulose? So cell wall of which one of these is not made up of cellulose? Bacteria, hydrilla, mango tree, cactus. So answer is what? Bacteria. Because hydrilla it is a plant, so cellulose. Mango tree, it is also plant, cellulose. Cactus, it is also a plant, cellulose. So which one is exception here? Bacteria. So 8. So 9th one you see. Cell arises from pre-existing cell was stated by Haeckel, Virchow, Hooke, Schleiden. Virchow. 10th one. Cell theory was given by A. Schleiden and Schwann. Next, 11th one. The only cell organelle seen in prokaryotic cell is. The only cell organelle seen in prokaryotic cell is. So all can be seen, but ribosomes. Ribosomes. Living cells were discovered by Robert Hooke, Purkinje, Leeuwenhoek, Robert Brown. Leeuwenhoek. Living cells were discovered by Leeuwenhoek. Dead cells were discovered by Robert Hooke. Select the odd one out. Odd one means different. The movement of water across the semi-permeable membrane is affected by the amount of substances dissolved in it. Membranes are made up of organic molecules like proteins and lipids. Molecules soluble in organic solvents can easily pass through the membrane. Plasma membranes contain chitin sugar in plants. So A. So remaining three are said about structure. What is present? A is saying about function. So B, C, D are about structure. What they are made up of? A, it is about function. So answer, which is the odd one here? A. So see the options carefully. 4 options are present. The first one is saying about function, whereas the last 3 are saying about structure. So first one is different. Next, the largest cell in the human body is A, nerve cell, B, muscle cell, C, liver cell, D, kidney cell. What is the answer? Which one? Nerve cell is the longest. The term cell was given by Robert Hooke. Who proposed the cell theory? Schleiden and Schwann. 15th one. The barrier between the protoplasm and the other environment in an animal cells. Plasma membrane. Animal cells is what? Plasma membrane. So 16th. 17th one. Who proposed cell theory? A. Schleiden and Schwann. Next one. Ribosomes are the center for protein synthesis. 18. It is what? Protein synthesis. Organisms lacking nucleus and membrane-bound organelles are known as prokaryotes. Prokaryotes. So please note it down. Next. Level 2. So level 2. 20. Plasmolysis occurs due to exosmosis. Exosmosis means what? Osmosis happening from outside to inside. It becomes big and rupture. A plant cell becomes turgid due to endosmosis. Endosmosis means osmosis happening towards outside. Solute concentration is higher in the external solution, then that solution is known as hypertonic. C. Next, 23rd. A cell placed in hypertonic solution will shrink. Next, 24. Root hair absorbs water from soil through osmosis. 24A. Next, 25th. The history of the cell began in 1665 with the publication of Micrographia in London by Micrographia is a book written by Robert Hooke. In 1665 only he discovered cell. So there he has written all his findings in a book known as Micrographia. 2058. Next 26. Cell inclusions are non-living items present in cytoplasm. Another name of cell organelles. Cytoskeletal framework of cell. Combined name for cell wall and plasma membrane. Option A. Next, level 3. Genes are located on the chromosomes. Next, chromatin consists of RNA, DNA, RNA and histones, DNA and histones. So, what is the chromatin contains D? 28, D. 29. Different types of chromosomes can be recognized by the position of following separating the two arms. What is the centromere? A. Next, 30. Name the process that requires energy provided by ATP. Active transport. So, lecture 2, page number 14. So, today we will discuss about two cell organelles. One is mitochondria and another one is ribosomes. So, mitochondria, it is known as powerhouses of the cell. So, in 1898, so in the year 1898, Carl Benda, in the year 1898, Carl Benda discovered mitochondria in the cells. In the cells. So we can see the mitochondria in high resolution microscope. In high resolution microscope. resolution microscope. When compared with the nucleus, it is 150 times small. 150 times small. So how many we can expect? So about 100 to 150 in each cell. In each cell we can see mitochondria nearly 100 to 150. If we see mitochondria, the structure is made up of two membranes, outer membrane and inner membrane. So inner membrane it is showing on foldings. What it is showing? Foldings. This is known as crystin. And the space this is known as matrix. And this is outer membrane. And this is inner membrane. So these are what they store currency. Currency means what? Power. Or we can say energy. So what is that? It stores what? Currency of the cell. Means energy, which is known as power. So how they store in the form of a molecule known as ATP. So how it stores the energy in the form of ATP. So 1 ATP is equal to 70 to 100 calories of energy. 70 to 100 calories of energy. So this mitochondria, where they are present? They are present in the cytosol. Cyto means cyto. Cell. Sol means plasm, liquid. Cyto. So they are scattered. They are scattered in the cytoplasm. So what is this? These are storing what? Currency, which are known as power or energy of the cell. So where energy is present inside the cell? In the mitochondria. So that is why they are known as what? Powerhouses of the cell. Powerhouses of the cell. Powerhouses of the cell. So you all members know that inside the cell nucleus is present. Up to the previous class we have studied about nucleus. In the nucleus only what are present? Chromosomes. What is known as DNA and RNA. Chromosomes are present. Okay, but these mitochondria will contain self DNA. They only contains what? DNA. We think that DNA is present inside the nucleus. But what is that? This is the one which contains self DNA. If one mitochondria should be produced, no, that mitochondria will produce from here only. They produce by themselves. Their mitochondria is produced from other mitochondria. So these are known as what? Self-autonomous bodies. Self-autonomous bodies, because the mitochondria are produced from another mitochondria. Okay, they produce from self only. Okay, so why? Because they are containing what? DNA. They are containing what? DNA. Self-autonomous bodies. So this is the another largest cell organelle after what? Nucleus. Okay, which is the second largest? Mitochondria is the second largest apart from nucleus. In plants, it is the third with that of chloroplast. Okay, that was largest it is. Okay, so how many are present? 100 to 150. They are known as what? Self-autonomous. Means they prepare from themselves only, not from nucleus or any other place. So please note it down in your notes. So you have to remember the extra topic already you are having the state books. All these topics, extra the topic is in 1898 it was discovered by Carl Benda in high resolution microscope. They are freely scattered in the cytosol, and also they have self DNA which makes them self autonomous bodies. which is known as power or which is known as energy. And how the energy is stored in the form of ATP. 1 ATP is equal to 70 to 100 calories of energy. Means if one, so how energy is produced means this A is known as adenosine. Adenosine. Can you see? So here this ATP is present. No, so adenosine, it is joined by 3 phosphates. If we break down the bonds here, energy is released. For making bonds, energy is required. For breaking bonds, energy is released. Okay. So if we make a bond, what is needed? Energy needed. If we break that bond, what is produced? Energy is released. So here energy is stored. If we break, energy is produced. Next topic is ribosomes. third topic of cell organelles is ribosomes. Ribosomes are known as subcellular organelles. Ribosomes are known as subcellular organelles. They are first discovered by George Palade. George Palade in 1950. He was present in Rome. He was a citizen from Rome. He was a biologist. So he was the first person to discover ribosomes. He was the first person to discover about ribosomes with the help of high resolution microscope, nothing but electron microscope. But the name ribosome was given by Richard B. Robert in the year 1958. It was discovered by George Palade in 1950 from the Rome, but the name ribosome was given by Richard B. Robert. In the cell, you find ribosomes freely in cytoplasm. Some are found freely, they move freely in the cytoplasm. Some you will see attached on the endoplasmic reticulum. That we call it as rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, ribosomes we find at the two places. One is they are freely moving in the cytoplasm, and another one we see ribosomes attached on the endoplasmic reticulum. Wherever they are present, their main function is to produce proteins. So they are membraneless. If they are present in prokaryotes or eukaryotes, we see membraneless. And we see two different types of ribosomes, 70S ribosomes and 80S ribosomes. 70S we see in prokaryotes, whereas 80S we see in eukaryotes. 70S it is made from two subunits, 30S, 80S. 30S and 80S. And 80S forms 30S and 60S. Group of 80S ribosomes are known as polysomes. Important, very important is that group of 80S ribosomes are known as polysomes. Please write it down in your notes. Group of 80S ribosomes are known as polysomes. So, 70S type of ribosomes are present in prokaryotes. 80S ribosomes are present in eukaryotes. So, group of 80S ribosomes are known as polysomes. Wherever they are present, their main function is protein synthesis.